Hello guys, good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you and test this LG window type AC. Before it was ha, has an error of CH05. Now we are going to test this right away and we will see if we can solve this problem. Now this fan motor is working. We will wait at least 3 minutes to turn on the compressor. Guys, this is the display and this is the power supply. That is connected to the compressor. We will wait guys for turning on the compressor. Sorry guys for my place is crowded because my place is small only. There are many works to be done. The error is CH05. We will see what will happen if our troubleshooting and repair might be successful. So guys, the compressor is turning on. See? Now, our work is being successful. By the way guys, the problem of this, which the socket connector, this one, the communication is no contact because of corroded. Now you see there is a wire here, this red wire I directly connected. So I hope you learn something about it guys. Thank you very much for your watching. Until next video. Okay guys, see you in next video. Thank you very much for your enduringly watch my videos and also for support of my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.